Hey Jen, how did you go with Bloom Sydney?
Oh, I loved it, absolutely loved it. Jack's so caring, so loving, so giving. And I actually learned how to put paint on my brush without getting it right down to the ferrule I've learnt. And oh yeah, and just the blending and just being able to do two large paintings in the 4 days is just incredible.
So,
Just wonderful.
Would these be the best paintings you've ever done?
Yes.
So what have you done usually?
I usually do seascapes or landscapes, small scale, and I labour over them. And in the end, I'm not satisfied with them. So I've been really, really happy. I'm really, really happy with these.
And do you think you'll be able to go on now and do more at home?
Oh yes, yeah, I've got already planned. I've got some photos I want to take and do, and I'm just so excited to get home and start. But I've got to have a sleep first.
Fair enough. That was 2 paintings in 4 days and 1 evening. I'd say that's a massive effort. You deserve a sleep in. Well done, Jen.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Jackie, so much.
Oh.
I can't say thank you enough. Thank you.
Well, you certainly have. It's been awesome, and I've loved having you too. Thank you.